Hey guys, welcome back. This is Charlie from Pickles BBQ. And today we're going to be doing is a real simple summer cook. So I'm grilling up some country ribs. Super good and super good. You watch for the taste tests. I could not stop tasting. Anyhow, I'd like to mention a couple of small channels. There's Ryan from Off the Walls BBQ. I'll leave his link down below. Y'all go check him out. He's doing some amazing stuff. And then there's also Dan from Dan's Outdoor Cooking. Does a bunch of stuff in cast iron. So anyhow, stay tuned. Check out the links down below. Subscribe to them. And let's get started. Pickles BBQ. My people. So we have about 3.5 pounds of country ribs here. These are bone-in country ribs. Normally you'll get them boneless. Only thing we're gonna do is transfer them over here. Do this bit at a time. So as you can see, there's a bone in there. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add some rub to all sides. We've got 3.5 pounds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ribs. I'm using Sal The Root Boys rub. We'll go ahead and rub these down, and then we're going to put in the fridge. We'll leave it for at least an hour or two. So I do want to get these on all sides too. We shall be back when that's done. And this is what I'm talking about. Rubbed them all on all sides. Use whatever rub you like. And these are not actually ribs. So these do come from the shoulder area of the pork. They still taste amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the fridge and we'll be right back. Time to start the chimney. Let's get her going. So I used about 3/4 of a chimney of charcoal. I'm gonna set it to one side and we're gonna get started in the Old Smokey. And man, what a beautiful day. We're about half open on the bottom. So once I dump those coals in, I'm gonna go ahead and keep the top pretty well open, because we're not looking for so I'll probably keep the top about halfway too. We're gonna go ahead and add a couple of little chunks of pecan. So we just want some taste of this and some smoke. So we'll let that smolder for a second or two and we'll be right back. And in the meantime, can't see the ribs have sweated down a little bit. So you see them glisten. Let's go ahead and throw them on the Old Smokey. Bring her outside. My people. So we're back on. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is throw our ribs on. I'm gonna throw them on the hot side right now. Hey y'all, so what we're doing right now, we've got a hot and cold side of the grill. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the ribs down on the hot side right now. And I'm gonna move them over to the cold side after I sear them on both sides. So probably about 3 minutes or so on each side. And then we'll move her over to the cold side, or cooler side, until they hit about 145. Hi guys, here's what we're looking for right here. We've got a little bit of sear on the bottom. So if you check that out, got a decent sear in the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and flip these over. A decent hot fire. Oh boy, that was beautiful. And then we're gonna move over to the cold side. Y'all can see that, but that's exactly what we're looking for. Hey y'all, so I'm moving everything over to the slow side. bit by bit. We're getting a great sear on these things. And I don't know if you can see it, but golly. I love my Old Smokey. It's such a good grill. It really is a lot of fun. Ah, there you can almost see the sizzle. Actually, you can see the sizzle. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these over to the slow side, and we're gonna cook them up to about 145 internal. So we actually don't have long to go. These are registering about, right now, about, you can see that. This one's about 133, 134, 139, 140. So they're getting ready to pull off. A couple of these need a little ways to go. This one's about 145, 150. All right, y'all. Those are looking pretty good. What we're gonna go ahead and do is put on a little bit of a sweet and spicy sweet baby reds. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. But we're getting pretty close to the end at this point. As you can see, they're looking fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. You want to brush it on, let the glaze sit for about 10 minutes or so. And there they are, back in the kitchen. Oh boy, they're literally glistening. Cooked to 145 degrees. Bubba, I cannot wait for the taste test on this one. Let's give one a try. Oh, buddy. So I chose this little guy. Oh, man alive. Let's go ahead and cut into it. Oh, goodness. This is just juicy and tender as all get out. I'm gonna go ahead and take a taste. Mmm. That is so phenomenally good. And it's the simplest thing you can ever possibly make. I'm gonna take another taste test because it is that good and it's super juicy and tender. It's a cheap grill. It's summertime and you can actually do your own. It's crazy cheap, crazy good. You can make your own rubs, you can make your own sauces, but this time I just played it simple because it's the beginning of summer. Anyhow, if I can do it, you can too. Pickles BBQ. Out. So good. So good. I don't know what to say. This is so good. I'm gonna do a second taste test, and here we go, because this is really good. It's juicy, it's tender. The flavors are amazing, and that's just off the shelf bought sauce and rub. Well, we did a summer meal, quick and easy on the grill, and that's just simple country ribs on the Old Smokey. The Old Smokey's a simple smoker slash grill. It costs nothing. His ribs were cheap too. If I can do it, you can too. And that is juicy and tender as anything. Use your own favorite sauce and use your own favorite spice. But Boy, that's good. Happy summer. Pickles out.